Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Today we're going to be making parsi chicken cutlet. Now cutlets are one of mine and my husband's favorites, so I wanted to try this recipe out. The ingredients list is given below and this is super simple to make. So we'll jump right in. So to begin with, I've taken some chicken mince in a bowl into which I'm going to be adding a few other ingredients like mashed potato. I've boiled, peeled and mashed the potato. I'm going to add this to the mince. Along with this, we'll add some chopped onion, green chillies, ginger and garlic paste. Now let's mix everything together nicely. Now into this we'll add some chopped coriander and mint leaves. Mix that as well. Now it's time to add the powders. So I've got some cumin powder, some garam masala, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder and some salt to taste here, which I'm going to be adding into the mince mixture. Now we'll mix everything together so that the powders coat all the mince that we have in the bowl and the potatoes, and it becomes a nice mixture. So now that the mixture is ready, I'm going to just check whether it is the right consistency. So you just take a ball and roll it, and if it holds the shape, it's ready. So now I'm going to make this into cutlet shapes or patties like that. And then we'll keep these aside. So I've got my patties ready in here. I've taken some breadcrumb into which I've added a little bit of salt. We are going to mix everything together. And I've also got one egg here which I'm going to beat nicely. And now let's start assembling the cutlets. So you take the cutlet, dip it in the breadcrumbs, coat it nicely and evenly, and then dip it in the egg and keep it aside. Now I've heated a pan with some oil on medium-low flame. I'm going to add the cutlets into this. And on medium-low flame, we'll cook the cutlets until they are golden brown from both sides. So it's turned golden brown from one side. I'm going to flip and cook from the other side as well. You can make extra cutlets and store them in an airtight container with butter paper lining and then make these whenever you want. You just need to dip it in breadcrumbs and egg and cook them. You can also put this into wraps and sandwiches as well. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.